Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tushar Rathore from Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies as Assistant Professor. Today I will be speaking on a MOOC video related towards general and life insurance in Indian market. I will be speaking basically related towards the term insurance, historical background of insurance in India. Then I would be speaking about role of IRDA and how does IRDA have implications, and finally I would be speaking about the future market related towards insurance industry in India. As all of you know this, and I am aware that this is very basic to understand, is that human life is full of risk and uncertainty. So suppose you are crossing a particular road and you meet with an accident, and say a car has dashed you, so then you will be admitted in the hospital. Or say you are working in a particular office and you get a stroke attack. God forbid, if such a thing is going to happen, then you will be admitted in the hospital, and the hospital has to deal with a lot of medical expenses and doctor fees. So then the need of insurance plays very important and crucial role in today's time. Insurance. To understand insurance, you should able to understand the actual meaning of the term called insurance. Insurance is an agreement between a company and an individual to mitigate the risk and to cover the financial losses. There are two important terms related towards premium and claim settlement process. There are wide number of insurance firms in India operating that are operating under IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. Now it is important to understand this, that the insurance firm plays a very vital role as far as a premium rates are to be considered. Every policy is considered to have a premium rates, and premium rate depends upon the number of policy you have undertaken. The policy may be related towards health, may be related towards motor, may be related towards fire, may be related towards other miscellaneous insurances covers. So depending on those covers, the premium rate has been decided, and therefore on the basis of the premium rate and the principal amount decided, the claim settlement process takes place. Insurance sector. Now if we say about an insurance sector, you have to understand the fundamental rules which Indian government adopted as far as the insurance sector is being considered. Insurance sector is divided into two parts. The first part is comprising of life insurance companies, and the second part is comprising of general insurance companies. So the division is done between the two segmentations. Thereby, if I have to talk little bit about historical background about the insurance sector, in 1956 Act which was being passed in Parliament was related towards LIC, Life Insurance Corporation Limited. And after few years, when the LIC was well established, in the year 1972, General Insurance Act was also being established. It is important to know that there were no monitoring authority over a period of time for decades in the insurance sector market, and therefore the consumer and consumer protection rights and the efficiency related towards the insurance market was required to be monitored. Now, in order to understand this particular fundamental, the IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, was established in the year 1999. Thereby, IRDA played an important and a vital role as far as the insurance sector market was to be considered. As IRDA was being established, there were around, today if you take into account, there are around 58 insurance companies operating in India who have been registered with IRDA. 24 are life insurance companies and 34 are general insurance companies operating in India. Mind you, all of them have been governed monitored and guided well with IRDA and IRDA's provisions. Thereby, efficiency of the market has improved after 1999, as well as the provision related towards the consumer protection rights and the consumer not getting exploited by the insurance companies are also being monitored by IRDA. So the rules and the regulations are very clear and very prominent as far as the IRDA and IRDA norms are being considered. Today, LIC total asset value as per 2019 data is related to 31 lakh crore rupees, and GIC, General Insurance Corporation, is related having an asset value of 38 lakh crore rupees. As far as the insurance market is being considered, which is related towards the companies comprising of life insurance companies as well as general insurance companies, and the guidance given by the IRDA as per their norms, there are various important points which have to be kept in mind as a significant important evaluation as far as the IRDA is being considered. Firstly, the insurance company has to abide by the rules and make sure that the market efficiency increases over a period of time of the insurance companies. Secondly, is to have a consumer protection right forums. Most of the companies like ICICI or HDFC or Tata AIG have the consumer forum where they have created a portal where the grievances has been addressed, as well as if there are certain issues related towards the policy holders, then they have been directly been addressed by the companies, and this record is being monitored by IRDA on the regular basis that goes with the quarterly or the yearly parameters laid down by the IRDA. Creating an awareness. The important function and the role of IRDA is to create an awareness of the insurance and the insurance terms related towards GIC, which is general insurance, and life insurance through the mediators who are the insurance companies. So how we have RBI and the various kind of commercial banks, similarly we have IRDA and the various kind of life insurance companies and general insurance companies who have to create awareness, talk about innovative products and better distribution channels. Thereby, consumer education assistance as well as training is also being provided by two dominant firms in India. One is considered to be Insurance Institute of India, set up in the year 1955. Now, that particular firm provides vivid training to the brokers, to the insurance intermediators and towards the financial intermediators who are dealing directly with the insurance market. In the year 1980 in Pune, National Insurance Academy is also being set up, who is also following the procedures of giving a proper training to the various employees of the insurance companies so that there is proper proficiency and proper channelization of the business can be done as far as the insurance sector is being considered. Apparently, there are around 17 lakh people are being trained by Insurance Institute in India and National Insurance Academy as far as the data of IRDA is considered. Insurance market is expected to grow around $280 billion from the period 2020 to 2025. So as you can see from these figures that the insurance market is having huge potential. Now after 2014, the resolution was being passed by the government of India in the mid of 2014, where the FDI limit of insurance sector was being increased from 26% to 49%. The financial intermediaries, where the financial intermediaries investment in the year 2015, the limit was being granted through the resolution passed by the central government to 100%. In this video, we understood the concept related towards insurance, historical background of insurance sector. Then we also dealt with the role of an IRDA and important provisions laid down by an IRDA and current market scenario of the insurance sector in India. In my next video, I would be talking about insurance intermediaries and its performances. Thank you.